People know what going down.
Radam.
We know that time that evening, right?
Radam.
Oh, we can do a Upper Life show. And we not look a bit of people business.
You must be mad.
You must be mad.
Breads like people business, you know?
No, that people like mine.
No, we have got to look a bit of people business. Some smart business have to talk this evening,
Nah,
brother.
that's not like your business.
You must something to say. You must something to say.
No,
One want to start the business.
No, you definitely have something.
Alright, in Jamaica this week, there was not much of a business going on, to be fair. So, obviously, UK. Really.
Jamaica, how's that going with things?
Yeah, but we never really have not as much
Eh.
to talk about. What? Actually, what we did? What's it?
No observer post dildo. That's it.
No, I see
That
something
is
just,
it.
That is it.
I see something just post a while ago, but I don't really have much information. But
What
I
is
can
it?
say as a breaking news, Popcaan get detained.
For what? Where, by the way?
It says border force, so it looks like it's UK. Don't have the full 100 information yet. I've just seen it.
Yeah, if
post
it's
just
border
now.
force, it's UK.
Yeah, so he imposed the video with him, with the when you mean at the detention place.
Him come out there, man.
So no, but that's what me see just happened today.
Brits, to come out something when you know about in UK, I can't really bribe them.
Yeah, no, you can't really.
No, not about bribe. Him probably get, unless, they delay posts to get a
But
little
man,
extra
I
hype.
don't know what I go on to, but anyway, people, as I always say, we don't have the full cover on that story.
So we'll talk about it next week.
It's
So
breaking.
it's
Breaking news.
Yeah, let's talk about the sweetness on the weekend, yeah. Cause
Yeah, Friday gone. They don't know who was at Granry's nightclub and all these things. And I was upstairs whining and dying. You know what I mean?
that's
So,
all right.
Whining the big girls, man. And
That's out your money. What going on, Granny's? Fuck you going?
no, greatness go on.
Okay.
Magnum Friday shot.
So tell me what now, because you're very excited about this.
All right, basically,
It's go-go business.
no, it's not a go-go business. It's an establishment.
So what?
All right, basically, what is it? Listen.
Listen.
Where
Hold on,
can
hold
I
on.
present?
Brett,
If
Brett,
I'm going to
Brett,
explain to you.
Brett, hold on. This is a Jamaican show. This is not an English show.
No.
No disrespect to me English people, them.
Alright,
But this is a Jamaican based
Yeah.
show.
Let's reach
We call girl with dance man pole at Jamaica go.
Yes, but I'm not.
Hey, Eric, put it in British accent.
No,
Go,
no,
go.
no.
It's Coco, man.
Listen,
Go,
listen,
yeah?
mate, listen. I am not saying it's not go club love. You hear me? I'm just saying, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm explaining my experience on Friday.
Okay.
So I was downstairs, Magnum Fridays,
Yeah.
shellings and all of that.
Yeah.
Then went upstairs, and the same thing happened again.
Let me ask you a question.
But when I'm dancing with girls, I don't video shit.
Let me ask you. What's there on offer? What can you buy? What's there on sale?
What's this?
What's
I'm just
on
asking.
sale?
What can you buy?
Basically, what is it? You go to the money, and your money talk for itself, and that's it is.
No. That don't explain it.
I don't.
Listen to me, man.
Watch this. Watch this.
DJ
here.
In a go-go club, normally,
Let me
you
tell you a
can
story.
buy
Let me tell you a story from Friday. So basically, Friday, somebody get a dance, private dance. Yeah.
Yeah.
He was there for like 15 songs.
Why, it's a lap dance?
A private dance. I didn't do around it.
Yeah.
But him there for.
Do you go in a private room?
Can I explain the story, please?
Yeah.
So basically, him get a extended wherever I'm do.
Yeah.
Probably him keep on a actually keep on a stay. So I'm saying it's whatever your money can portray the time.
Okay,
so
so-
money is time up there.
So let me ask you, it's not about what can you buy. Suppose if
I
go...
don't know what is in offer. So
Because, Bert, yeah?
No, but you went there for
Brett,
shopping. You
no,
went shopping.
I didn't go
Listen, yeah?
shopping. I went there.
Listen here,
and-
mate.
Alright,
Let me just speak, yeah?
Go on.
You know, like in Jamaica, yeah? If I go to the go-go club and I say, I want to take that girl off the stage, yeah?
Mm.
As long as I have my cheddar in my pocket, I say, I want that one, and that one. And then we could negotiate a price for the business.
Jaga say I got chopper though.
You understand?
No. Let's get it straight here. It's not what Jaga not trying to portray. Is a
May I say if I can do that up the big man?
I don't know. Actually,
It's just a lap dance I can buy.
I actually never tried that.
But you're down there all the time. You must know
Yes,
how
because
going.
you know, it's true. I'm like a proprietor. You see me? I don't indulge in that, so I don't know what's going on. If somebody pay for something and then after the month him get higher, that's their problem. But
So it's just dancing then.
it's dancing.
Dance paying pants and them something.
Me don't know what them do. People throw money and tip people and
What you
something.
gotta go do then?
Me gotta go make sure say things run smooth, bro.
Are you security?
No, I'm just securing something.
And if you're wondering what we're talking about the Granular Club, which is actually a sponsor of the Upper Live show, and this event takes place on
You know,
a Friday.
it's called Buuuuuuuuzz.
Alright.
Buuuuuuuuzz Friday.
Basically, before I go to Jamaica, yeah,
Hold up. Let's discuss what is Buuuuuuuzz Friday.
I'm gonna say that.
Okay.
So basically, Buuuuuuuuzz Bay is basically a event that basically entertain
Yeah.
people with ladies dancing. So all night up on the top floor in granaries, it's all about the ladies entertaining everyone that turns up on there. Man, woman. No, underage that. But what I'm saying here, we need more people to be there.
Yeah.
So basically what I'm going to do, for all the artists in the industry, I do an industry night. So artists, DJ promoted us forward. I just, you see me, the girls did it.
But like all me now, me in the industry, right?
Yeah.
Say me no want forward come watch nobody, me want just come.
You want to do what?
Take something off for you know, buy something and cut.
If you forward
Yeah.
and you want to purchase, you purchase.
Me ask if that's an
answering-
offer.
I'm answering the question.
I don't want to be out of
I,
place.
Listen to the
I
answer,
said to
bruv.
you from the start, bruv, yeah?
Mm.
Your money talks up on the top floor. If you want to buy a speaker, your money talk. You don't even hear nothing no more.
Okay, see, you heard it from Breads, yeah? So, all right, moving on in the news, people. Remember, yeah, we on Friday, so we're moving on to Saturday. So, big up everybody who goes and support Matt on his big barbecue, you know? The party shell. You know, man was dance with gal was dance with gal. You know, bad things was happening.
Girl never dance with man.
I said, man was dancing with
gal.
gal,
And
and
gal
gal was dancing with gal.
So I'm to girl,
That's
them
how
a
we
dance
like
with the
it.
man.
It is
That's
same.
what I said first.
No, you said man I dance with
Man
gal.
I dance with gal.
So I'm to girl we dance with the man. That's
God
my
go-
question.
God
You
go
understand
shit.
me? I said
Stop me
that.
some
Anyways,
questions. Stop
moving
repeating
on.
momentum. Let me talk. They
Right.
don't fuck up more.
English.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, alright. See? So yeah, so we don't know what going on barbecue. Me say, remember you know people and me say so you know hear me here. Me say you know the party are going good. And them have some dirty neighbors say, dirty boy, turn on the music. I come tell you 3 times already turn on the blood clot music. And me say like,
Youth.
them say I would a man. Security me say all and pull him out and say come out of the venue man, you chat too much. Saying, hear me, you know, remember and me say so.
Yeah.
Then me say the man go over in my yard and say, Bees eyes.
Bees
You know
eyes,
it's true
love
like
eyes.
The girl them, you see me? Like about
Buzzing.
No.
about 2 stack of bees over there, see me?
Alright.
Like you look like a man train the bees, and the man say, skim.
Alright, hold on. We get Dragon's version. Rasta, can we give us the actual event?
It's
That's exactly what it
happened.
is.
Yeah.
It's exactly what it is, bro.
No.
Wait, you want the
I
English
get it,
version?
the
Alright, so
English
basically, shout out to
Jesus, there's no explain it. It's the same thing. There's no way.
Wait, hold on. Because we have to understand, ladies and gentlemen, we have people on our live that are not born Jamaicans.
Yeah.
Big up to the people that were up on the live that you know
Exactly.
that are not understanding the Jamaican dialect. So basically, what happened? So Matt's Barbecue is a brand that people know about. It's well known. It happens on a yearly basis, and it took place on Sunday.
No, Saturday.
Oh, Saturday.
No,
Yes,
Saturday.
sorry. Saturday. People were out having a good time. Apparently, there were issues at the beginning with security. People weren't being checked properly. Bags weren't being searched. People were, bombarding and stampeding to get inside the venue.
Them rushed the gate.
Them rushed the gate.
Yeah.
Right? Got into the venue. Whoever was inside, party are going nice. People are enjoying themselves. People are drinking. People are having a good time. And, I don't know what the issue was with the neighbors. However, it was now Matt's Barbecue versus the Bees.
The bees.
So apparently it was said that the person,
Party
the neighbor,
sweet, man.
the sweet and stingy. Apparently the neighbors had let loose a whole bunch of bees. And people were running for their lives, screaming and carrying on the most bugger way. And obviously, people took to Twitter, and there are various comments that were made about Matt's Barbecue. One of them was, honestly, I have never seen anything like that in my life. I ran for cover inside the coach, and these things were banging into the windows and doors. Bang, bang.
But hold on.
Right? And
16.
if you see the videos and the screams
I
that
see people running.
me
back
see
from house,
one man,
something.
me see one man that scream like gal.
Oh, you know the worst thing?
Brother.
See the English youth here?
Eh.
Them man that we walk with a knife. and
So
gun
that's what
and
insect come
stab
out.
up and shoot people. But as the insect is in play,
Them God.
these guns are running. It's like, bro, so if you go war them man that bring babies.
Bad man, bro.
You can't
Hold
lose.
on now. You know, when me I try come to grips from
Yeah.
about Saturday night till today,
What's that?
who the blood clot keep bees at them yard?
A beekeeper.
No, it's probably a bee.
Hold on now.
And
It's a
apparently they were
beekeeper, bro.
arrested.
Remember, I know. I don't really want bush there. Like
No,
that.
there's houses there
Hold
along
on, let me
the...
talk no. Hold on no. Remember you have houses in there.
Oh, no, but that's not
People,
this weekend.
people
please.
who raise bees live at bush because remember bees are wild.
Not
An
necessarily.
animal them a wild insect.
Yeah.
You
Not-
can't really
can't
control
tame
them.
them,
Because
true.
remember I don't like say somebody build one bees house. Bees in a box, but bees them fly in and out when them ready. Remember bees box now no door. Them just come in and out to them ready.
All right.
that's
No,
true.
no,
Who
no.
the blood
No.
clot keeps so much
No,
bees?
no. We're going on them thing one, yeah.
Mm.
It's the beekeeper, yeah. Take the queen out, right? You don't even follow the queen.
Yeah.
Right?
And put the queen in the party.
So what they do, yeah? No, for real,
And then-
No, listen.
Why
to
don't
that.
you put the queen past stage?
No, listen really. In all way the bees are gonna stay there. You see, basically the beekeeper them, yeah.
Yeah.
Now what look box with them when them want move the queen and put her in it.
Yeah.
And then they will follow her. Them not gonna do nothing because them will follow her, yeah?
Yeah.
So if the person really want to be spiteful and keep the bee them there, if the queen is not there, they won't stay there, bro.
Well,
But
then
all
let
of the bees them not gonna go one place in the
No, wherever the queen there.
Where I
you
try
know,
say. That's what me ask you if the man bring the queen in the party.
Probably does. But remember, people wait, you know. For if a man release bees in the first place, he gonna plant the card. If him pull the box as normal, they won't leave. All the bees go to the worker bee them and then fall back.
God the
there.
bees them normally protect the hive,
Yes,
right?
so they're not gonna move. So the only way they're gonna go over the stuff
if the queen is like
is if the queen them. Them did it, and then just you know what? Oh, nah, hear me. Well,
So-
listen.
Somebody say it should have been called Sting 2022.
Yo,
For real, no.
anybody who made that pun, who made that?
It's on Twitter.
Yo, God no. That's a good pun. Yes.
Buzzing.
Yo, buzzing.
Big up
buzzing.
Lady Deja, you should have over there sing.
But to be fair,
Buzzing.
but to be fair, on a serious note, it's kind of fucked up for no say you're doing an event. It's an urban event, so basically
Yeah.
it's a mixed culture there, and there's even kids over before where that never happened. So many people that say, oh no, I play football over there, so well, somewhat play, but
Brother.
we're there every weekend, and that never happened to nobody. So all of a sudden, so people return. Right next to it is the shopping center, so
Yeah.
no one, there's no attack there, bro. They done on purpose.
It's purposely done.
Yeah.
Right now, me gonna invest in some bees. You know why do you have that thing for buying one little pit bull?
To do what?
No bees me invest in. Then if bees can mash up one big old event, so what? You think you could let go of one dog, so?
No that.
Eh?
Yo, I'm
Oh,
know what.
so I just get what he said. So you were going to buy a pit bull,
I
but you
was
changed
gonna
your
buy a pit bull,
mind.
then
Oh.
yeah.
Oi,
Me
me
need
nah
to
like,
invest in a bees.
me nah like, if a
Sure,
Jamaican
sure.
event, you need a bees.
Hmm?
Just one word.
What?
I every man recited.
What?
What?
Immigration.
Oh.
The party
Friends,
empty.
goodbye.
No,
Bye,
no,
birds.
no,
Goodbye.
the fuck with.
Goodbye.
I know one time. Most of the Jamaicans
Brother,
they are
even
straight.
right now.
Most of the man them they are straight.
Brother,
And
even
look
right
like
now.
you want chat small business, but me ain't that something there with you at the
Exactly.
moment.
Not today.
Further
Because
on.
right now, me not agree with the UK government and them.
Foolishness.
Yeah,
Yes.
Alright, cool. So me not gonna talk about
Yes,
that.
Sasha. Sorry you missed that one. That
But
one
yeah.
was an early conversation.
The man them are the person or the woman or the child or whoever let do the bees them.
Yes.
Kabum buckler look how Lolly sing Lego the bird. And this man just sing
Lego
Lego
the
the bees. Like anybody who Lego the bees them in the barbecue, in a Matt's barbecue, I think that was utter wrong. And
Definitely.
it's a bit disrespectful because realize in terms of black people, outdoor events in terms of London, it's less and less place we have to keep them. Every time black people decide say they wanna do something or put something together, it's always some form of animosity. Like I don't know, we can't have all our party and we'll take them on some bush and outside of London or on the outskirts. It's not right. Because as a Londoner, we're supposed to allocate some space and
be free and comfortable to host our events.
and the neighbors or whoever live next to the
just
venue
have to deal with it.
don't traumatize or chastise the event
event
keepers or
itself.
event
Yeah,
planners.
yeah.
Like it's full time now, man. Good God,
Look at the
man.
bzz. Look at the bzz.
Good
Exactly.
God.
New song.
So the weekend was buzzing.
Yeah, it was
It was
about
definitely buzzing.
like
It's a bussy week.
the funniest thing, like me I wait to see the picture. Like me don't know if them the bees a friend like Casper Ghost. Me don't see nobody get sting.
And
That's
The
true.
way the joke, there's an advert here that they did afterwards. Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw an advert
And
as well. I'm
it
gonna
goes
show you.
bzzz.
No,
At the start of it, yeah, with the drone, yeah, bzzz. I'm like, you taking the piss, bro.
I saw Matt versus Bees.
Well-
Here it is.
well, hopefully,
No buzzing on Netflix.
well, maybe you can use it as a concept for next
Yes,
year.
yeah.
Right, so hopefully,
Matt versus B. No buzzing on
But
Netflix.
then-
No, hold on. Me rascal our mix there. We don't see mix. Hold on.
Wait, where's
Mix
Mix?
you get sting. Cause last time I check, you me to see over there play
Alright, on the send for mix. Send
Me
for
say me
mix.
not see mix
Wanna
from
talk
week. Me not
mix?
see mix now.
What you say?
No.
One of him face fat up.
Wait, what?
What? That is
If him
it.
face fat up,
And
bees
that-
stinging upon him face.
that
is
Careful
it,
on I
exactly.
say.
No,
No
where?
wine in that.
Wanna tag DJ Mix there, cause I true him silent this week.
No,
Just Shem, big up yourself. Thank you for joining us.
Mix that.
What about a mix no man?
of
You know?
course.
So yeah, time. Oh my gosh, it's 26 minutes past 28 past 10. And are we going to speak of another hot topic, or are we going to wrap it up?
What
Here?
does no one talk about?
Alright. As I said to you, this
Let's make
week,
it
this
a
week,
bit
this week,
snappy.
this week, people, there's not much it's so good and bad at the same time. There's not much disaster for the week, which is good. It's bad that you're gonna have nobody business this week. But on that lighter note,
you have people business.
Yeah.
on a lighter note, don't know say next week. Well, yeah, next weekend, the 16th of July, my event that is in me. Seeing people like Lincoln Tree, that Lagard, Ricardo Royal, BNG,
Yes.
Bagger British, Sarah Melison and Lion Squad in the building run, Sharpshooter taking pictures and everybody are come to see me anyway. But let them take them, isn't it? Cancer people free, July Band people free.
Yes.
Rick them Infinity Party next week as well.
Yes.
Isn't me? And this week now,
DJ Capone.
yeah,
Early.
you have school party on a Friday,
Yes.
belly party on a Friday, you have DJ Capone on a Saturday. Anybody who miss, me just see the flyer, I just remember. And you have Magnum Friday as usual every week and Booty to be up on Friday at Granny's nightclub.
Yes.
You see me?
And at this time, we want to take a special time up to shout out to our sponsors, the Granaries, Styler London, and Self-Paid. Make sure that you go over to their Instagram and other social media pages and support them. Self-Paid has a 40% off promo going on, so make sure that you go over and get your merch. I mean, we the merch them good. Quality is nice, print is nice.
You have all size, all meat fit.
Remember, you know, people, and I look up Fruit of the Loom shirt, them,
Yes,
them,
it's
good shirt.
quality.
You know what I mean?
The wash
Quality.
and now stretch out.
Yes. Approximately exactly 10:30. King Striker, straight from Jamaica, is here. We're gonna have a chat with him,
Of
get
course.
to know who he is, and talk the things about why he's here in the UK. So stick and stay.
Boss.
Juggernaut, sir.
We should have gossip a little more.
The time.
Time.
Because we.
I could do this first
Yeah,
and then
alright.
we
Yeah,
have
we
can
to
have this
yes.
These guys are idiots.
Make sure that you share the live, guys. Tell the people them for forward over here, so we're going to have a decent conversation. Gangster King, big up yourself. Thank you for joining us tonight, bro. Where am the Chilani?
The way out in the
Country.
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 Yeah, big up
I'm
yourself.
saying this. Obama. Hey, Gangsta Kid. Last night, Saturday night, me there 2 party. I mean, me one DJ with Gangsta Kid. I might try there.
Never work.
I want girl go to him and say, oi, nobody with you.
Put it down. You and the Gangster Kid go put it down.
Yo, we're gonna drop some music on forward here.
Alright, we'll drop some song. Yeah, play some bills. Yeah, play some bills. Pop up, nothing. How are they when Brett's forward and said, blood, like, girl, I give him 3 jacket. He have no ball about feel hard to hurt him.
Surgery.
Don't need surgery.
Your favorite.
Don't big up Lincoln, you know, because he ain't what you know about. We get sexy lipo. My heart hurt me. Lipo. Go away with that something there, you know. Go away with that something there.
You're not doing a lipo shot.
Nah, man, some of my time, man, them left some of my thing for the girl, them, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Someone did that something there too?
Lipo, he was
Me
advertising
say a
a
Lincoln
lipo
Tree
shot.
that did a part.
Basically, the man
Everything
he's
at lipo.
He was promoting the
Lipo
company.
shot.
What? I make doctor juke up in belly.
That's so funny.
And doctor juke stab up all my belly.
You know, you
Yeah, where else I know?
promoting the product, innit?
I make doctor
called
stab up in belly, so.
It's called lipo shot.
Yeah.
Promoted though.
Where do?
It's basically it
Kill
gives
the fat cells and make your belly look. What? Make your belly look.
me
But
about
that can't healthy.
me need about 50 of them.
No, you.
So hold on.
Me not
Hold
think.
on.
Me
Hold
not
on.
think we can count the
No, hold
number
on.
whenever you.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Cree. Alright, Cree. Hold on. Brett. See that really sit down and make a doctor tab out your belly bottom.
Why?
What the fuck?
Because of that thing, I do with the needle.
Brother,
Stab up in my belly bottom.
lie, bro, lie.
Then
Bang,
I joke him with I stab up in belly button with needle. That's why me ask.
Finished.
No, doctor boy, I can't touch my belly button. Me just a hack, so you see, I need about 50.
Oh, yeah.
So I don't have 600 stab. I'm ready to go half fight, you know.
Bro, I know, bro. I'm not giving no
No,
food, bro.
Yeah.
on a serious
For me,
note.
I had to hurt me.
On a serious note, is this actually something that
It's something. Listen, you know how people would normally do liposuction surgery. So they will
Yeah.
go to the hospital, get them belly or wherever opened up, them suck out the fat. So this is a new thing because after the surgery there's always a scar. So they've started doing fat freezing kind of methods. Anybody who depend on live and do them something or know about them something better than me. Mix her up in at the right time. What go on, DJ?
More you have a conversation with
You
Brett,
know?
because Bird
Hold
say,
on, hold
Bird
on,
say,
hold
the
on.
more the lipo shot them, you need about 50 stab.
I never said that.
He
What?
said 50 of them.
Me don't know how.
And you twist it and say, he might make doctor stab out.
Then him say,
Aye.
but you can't make
50
doctor stab
of
stab
them.
about the whole your belly button. I don't know about something.
Right. So basically,
I'd go with it,
Rick,
I'd
so
go with
instead
it.
of them doing surgeries,
Yeah.
it's a like a low impactful
Yeah.
kind of fat freezing, getting rid
Nah,
of.
man, them for left get them with something.
Yeah,
Them
I
can't
agree.
take
The
everything.
man them for left it. The man them for left it alone.
So in next thing we are here set to blood class. Man a buy 6-pack, and man a buy chest
Me
bag
hear
and
about-
then
me
fuck.
hear
No, but no, but that old though.
but them a do it
That-
already.
That's old, bro.
But me ask us,
Them already are
Are
doing
doing
it.
it.
in a prominent in the community yet.
No, it is, but
But-
it's
but
over here.
them just not
America is
talk about
different,
it.
bro.
Me saying me saying I feel with Jamaican black community in a
It
prominent.
probably is, but it's not actually not gonna
Press,
talk
hold on,
about it.
man. So I like my left already today. You know, good I miss the birds so him steer.
Boy, tomorrow.
Fast ready tomorrow.
And I,
Flat like me.
I say, yo, Dragon.
somebody hear me I say dragon me I say,
Hey, that boy, man.
boy, me know he fierce. But me not, you know,
What?
Me know the
man.
face.
Careful.
no why any of that. You can't fish up my story, dog.
All right, there's a breaking news that is happening. Uncle Ivan,
Yeah.
Run the track.
run the video. There's a
Run
breaking news. I don't know if people are paying attention to, the Jamaica Gleaners Instagram page. We're gonna play a video that we just saw. Something is playing in the background. We don't know what is happening. Yes. So we're gonna.
No, I think
Watch your finger, them no big man.
What?
Watch your
What
finger, them no
the-
big man.
What is happening
He said,
today?
watch it.
Yeah,
No
tell
why
man
not.
watching finger
What
them.
is happening to? All right, ready up. We're gonna play a video that just play a video.
I'm in the UK, they gotta give me this paper and detain me because of information that was sent by my country that I should be stopped every time I'm here. I wonder why. Mr. Prime Minister of Jamaica, I would like to draw your attention to this once again.
Hold on. Me almost think him don't say Mr. Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Burger go suck your mama or something. Cause hold on no, me that what you know it would be interesting cause if Burger would have send the JCF
Figure lock him up.
we go take
Open that truck.
take him out time house and say
Open that truck.
apologize.
Go open that.
But this is serious.
Open that
though.
truck. Yeah, I mean, and he says again. So obviously it has happened before. Very very curious to find out the reason because obviously he's saying this is information that has been sent from Jamaica
From
to
here
the
put them
UK.
on Jamaica,
Listen,
you understand?
Right.
listen, me. Let's be real now.
Yeah.
If that's saying, yeah, there must be something with him or him team member. They're not gonna tell you exactly the whole point of it.
But them stop
Them
my
just
gas
say-
station what you see what go on.
them just
Where,
stop it.
which gas
At Jamaica.
station? No, I didn't see that.
No, one little thing where them him and him new girlfriend.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
she's cute.
Mm.
I like
Bro,
them
listen,
together.
But this
Side
is-
note.
But what
They stopped him at the gas station with her.
They did stop him.
Yeah, them did.
What I'm saying is that you see, this is how disgusting the government is and can be because our artists should be protected.
Yep.
So things like this, because look how much things happen over here with all the UK artists, them and
Yeah.
not get highlight.
Yep.
And look how many things happen like with the Prime Minister and everything, and everything shush and people.
Yep.
Whenever we have anybody that's important to our diaspora or culture, we do not protect them. We throw
Yeah.
them. If
Under
a man
the
gets a
bus.
speeding ticket in
Under
a
the
Jamaica, I know why this is coming from. It's coming from them. Remember the time one time they had the incident of a when come from St. Thomas
Yeah.
with the bike and
With the bike.
or the entourage do
Yeah.
something and him get the blame for it. I'm sure it's stemming from something like this.
Bro,
Is it
remember
the one
now-
with him cousin with what the guy name?
We cause them.
With the
and
cause
some-
them. Yeah. When
Because I
cousin.
know Rasta.
Remember the other day, you know,
Me never there with Popcaan
them stop
them.
all, them stop.
But the saying is that they're not protecting the artists. Them. It's the
You'd
same
rather
thing that
throw him under the bus than anything else.
Damon Crawford was referring to.
Yeah.
Something like these. There should be the music. The minister of
Tourism and
tourism and music and what
entertainment and gender.
What's your name?
Babs
Babsy
Grange.
Grange.
They should step into things like this.
Bad man,
Just to
you see-
know,
hold on
Minister
there.
of Tourism is different than.
Side
Yeah.
note,
Than
big man thing,
Minister
you know,
of
everybody I say, oh, praise Babs Grange. You see me not see what Babs Grange are do feet. You see all me see what Babs Grange do.
Go at the big event.
When
then.
Ramesh them and the big people them keep them party,
She
them,
did
she
it.
get 2 free tickets and
And
go in and
go-
go
and
VIP
go dance.
and go drink.
Yep.
That's all. Look like say fair work, cause big
Easy,
man
easy,
thing.
Easy.
Fair work what she do? She's supposed to set some former presidents
Yes.
presidents
Pres-
for president.
President.
Yeah.
Correct upon one.
Correct,
You feel
yeah.
like idiot.
Yeah, alright. Some former presidents, yeah? For when the artists or the local talents them
Yeah.
move in the country or internationally, they're
They're
protected,
protected.
because are backed up by the Jamaican government.
Yes.
But we see time and time again,
They're all bad.
they're nothing.
Yes,
So
sir.
all by themselves.
No, but alright.
They're like hold on, bros. It's like a random little man, and all she's doing is turning up at these big events, and come highlight the people when them come from foreign. When DJ Khaled come down them there everywhere. When Bunt keeping show them over there, them when Risha doing them thing them over there over Shensia them there. All they do, I come round with the people them can buy some old champagne and
show
go on a
off.
2 free ticket and come round and come take 2 pictures and show off and get on the pay. Only is not doing nothing for the music and for the future of the culture.
And for the longevity of it.
No-
like
nothing-
the
nothing
preservation.
not
like
set in
nothing.
place.
Like if if it is
Exactly.
being done, we're not seeing it so that it can be
Because,
recognized
hold on now.
and we can talk about
Let
it.
me just highlight something again. Remember, the law is still in place, right? What them say? The part them should end by certain time. Remember,
yeah.
the law is in place. The law passed, but now they relax the law. They're not enforcing it. So
But it's still
it's there. It's gonna come a point where they must say no, sir. Because a lot of them would also enforce it. Lock up every party. Some of these things. Remember when the law just come about, they were saying we're gonna build up certain like allocated area for dance or
Yeah,
music
they
and
did say
rare
that.
them thing. We wanna hear that now. Them relax it for a bit and make Jamaican people forget about it. And then when them ready to enforce the law again, everybody in the same fuckery again.
I just hope that something
And
comes out of this.
Remember,
Alright.
people forget say throughout COVID, right? When every sector reopened.
Right.
Right?
Entertainment was the
it was the
very
last one. And now because I hope now everybody's forget and say, remember
All that
how
they
them
didn't
treat
do.
them.
Yeah.
I remember J-Cap,
Yeah.
Dirty Parish Cones and the whole
Yeah.
of uno,
Jams the whole of
jams the
them.
whole of we take people their money
Everybody.
on a weekly basis. Because remember, you don't know how much party keep at Jamaica a week time. Remember, it's a very lucrative thing, you know.
Exactly.
You know how much money you have to give parish coin to keep party. Check in a your community.
What
Every
if-
much party keep.
Once keep party keeping there.
And if you check the amount of money where parish council is earning off these party, for
Yo,
our culture being
where-
misrepresented,
where-
no,
where-
fucky.
can I say something?
Where-
Last thing, we're out of
Can
time.
I
Yeah?
say something? We kind of stray away back from the Popcaan thing. Yeah? Hear me say, yeah? I'm not gonna say nothing until I know the reason why them
And
stop it.
sometime- maybe
Because
we're
some
not
of my
gonna
time
say
we rant about the government having own problem and they finally say, yo, this man probably do something we shouldn't even.
But
Yeah, but
do it in
no,
Jamaica.
no,
Hold
no,
on,
no,
let Brett make
me
his
finish.
point.
Not because I'm an artist, yeah?
Yeah.
There's a fine line between protecting them and how to fuck them. Because at the same time, yeah, if you do something wrong,
Yeah.
your art's gonna get moved to. If you just enough of the artists in Jamaica, but we don't know on the radar, they're
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah,
They'll travel.
but he's been in Jamaica for how many weeks?
Lock him up down there now.
Call him down there and
Yeah,
clear
you
the
wait till
court.
he
Brett,
leaves
you
and
know.
gets to the UK.
You know
Yeah,
that's what your
wait
business is foreign.
All right,
I saw more things.
alright. Suppose you
When,
not say
when
that.
you and your girl in your
Well,
yard have problem,
no.
you gotta rig up fight a girl.
Well, suppose you not say, yeah. Oh, yeah, government a push will rate it, yeah. And you find say, just before him leave, him go do something and then leave. We don't know him just fall down and say, yo, they detained me, Andrew.
But his words were
Brett.
again.
These artists are liars
What
to
them-
dog.
Brett.
Then we tell you one
Brett.
thing when you find the truth, you're like,
Brett.
bro, listen, me not say something to me really go on.
Brett, listen. It's information they sent from the airport of Jamaica when he was clearing custom. You know, like, alright. Let me
Well,
tell
you don't know which information
Press,
was
hold on
sent.
now. Press, hold on now. We see that all the time at Jamaica when man carry drugs come a foreign. Them know it's them suspect you carry drugs, but them not do nothing to you at Jamaica. Them say, alright, you dirty blood clot, your drugs you want carry. Me just send the people in England one little email and say, that dirty boy that stop him in sit down and seat ray. And them could have lock you up at Jamaica, you know. But they make sure say them want to lock you up at foreign. I saw some of them stay and me tell you, some of the time, these kind of housekeeping thing, we need to done it internally before
Instead
we
of public.
externally go do it.
Go
Yeah,
outside.
but watch this now, yeah. You say internally, yeah. Them stop him, right?
Yeah.
Did anyone tell the video what him do? This is match it earlier, yeah. It start good, get start okay, cool. Them stop and them arrest, yeah. And everything we ourselves as well, as you say, same as police, as government, they
Yeah.
internally send an email. You got stopped, yeah. No people get stopped at airport for different reasons, yeah.
Yeah.
You get detained, you have your phone, so clear in at the iris, you have your phone, you not go up on live, make a video, and post it, say, if more than pay you twice, or whatever, cool, yeah? We don't know the first time, you know. That's what you say.
But
First,
he didn't
second, or
post.
third.
He did not
it.
post the
This-
first time.
No,
So
this-
obviously,
no,
he's-
what I'm saying,
it's a
keep.
plea.
No,
Bruv, I don't
Stop
like
it.
it.
One at
no,
wait,
no.
one at a
What
time.
I'm saying,
guys, one at a time.
sometimes you keep it how it start to the end. You never first post it,
Yeah.
or third, fourth, or fifth. Keep it because obviously it been angled, innit? You have money. You want to get it, you have money. So you can do things. So my time on
Brett,
everything
if I did you, you'd have
But
post.
if
You'd
no,
have post
hold
long
on, Brett,
time.
Brett.
Brett, Jamaica.
Brett, hold on, no.
I don't
Brett,
post that.
sometimes things happen to you, it's coincidentally, right? It happen the second time, you say, rascal, this is not coincidence no more. You
No.
start pre things, and here one now, you start ask question. And
You start-
based on
yeah.
who Popcaan is, he probably has some question. And based on the answers that he gets, say, oh, listen, we're just doing our job because this information come from Jamaica, blah, blah, blah. So he put out in video, if you listen to the video, him say, he beg Andrew Holness and the government of Jamaica
To look into
to
it.
stop, to look into Wagwan and
Yeah,
seize, and this is basically.
I agree.
He's pleading to the government to stop whatever they're sending from Jamaica because obviously as an entertainer,
It
a
impedes
Popcaan,
on what he's
and
doing.
come to the UK, what you know, certain good thing as a Popcaan, you're not gonna take that risk,
Yeah.
especially out of Jamaica. You know that already.
And-
At
and-
the airport,
No, you say this stuff, yeah, and his artists repeat, look on Bumbuckler finger, stop up man of Europe. You cannot say that.
Yeah,
stop
but
up man of Europe, but me I say in the airport, outside, a different thing.
What I'm
Brett.
trying to say is,
Yeah.
yeah, you can't say true man of artists
Yeah.
and not a certain thing. People are human. All I'm trying to say is,
Yeah.
yeah, and everything you publicize as well as art. It doesn't work in every some of my time as well.
Yeah, but
Well,
you
it's gonna
see,
be keep
it
restricted.
would have been different because I have lost respect for Popcaan, but I don't see anything that he did wrong in his speech.
Yeah, me too.
He-
His
Yeah,
tone
that's
was
what
his
I
tone was correct.
Yeah.
No,
He
because I'm
did-
that here, put him care, but say, you're mad,
he
you
could-
send one back.
Hold
no,
on.
he could have been like a
He could
dirty
have been,
Andrew.
yeah, he could have been
Walking this
disrespectful.
every
I
time I
agree.
come and say,
I
he
agree.
was very
He
calm.
couldn't do that. He couldn't
And
do
and
that.
Why?
I
I
agree.
mean, if him
Why?
No, if him do it,
Why?
him knows it's a worse upon
It
it.
can't,
Yeah,
it
but-
can't worse
It
because
can't
you have nothing to do
worse.
because here in the UK you could say dirty bars anything because remember
That's the UK.
and Jamaica you have a freedom of speech.
No, you don't.
All right, we're not
every
gonna
time man
no,
this
guys.
Andrew,
Sorry,
Yeah.
the
as
time
a man, this Andrew gonna catch the 2 hours later.
yeah, but
All right, Juggernaut
it's different. I'm
Brett's
gonna
gonna finish this off.
I agree with DJ
Yeah,
Ray.
what about, you know?
Guys, make bring it together now, please. I agree with DJ Ray PGT, where she says he's obviously posted it now because it's becoming an issue. So, I mean, I'm waiting to see an update from it. Hopefully, the government of Jamaica can step in and assist with the issue and just get it sorted. Does he have upcoming shows forwarding?
No, he doesn't. He just traveling.
He's
I
just
think
traveling.
he was.
All
No,
on
there's
Brett.
no show.
We know the Popcaan have ties to the UK in terms of business ties and business.
So he
deals
might
and
be
artists
having
he
a show
work
that
with.
we don't know
So,
about, similar to the
We
last one that
already
we
tell
didn't
us
know
like
about.
a lot
Yeah.
of time these artists come to UK, their show they'll market to us. Alright, look
Yep.
on the other day when Shensia come to the UK,
I didn't
right?
even know such.
Yeah.
Remember that show was promoted long time ago and he have several European show. But just some of these shows don't market to us. Remember that show keep in Brixton, right? If a Shensia show keep in Brixton, every dog and girl and
go.
everybody would have want to say, oh,
Yep.
them a got Shensia. But it was a market to us. That's why I'm telling you. Say,
Yeah.
Popcaan have ties in the UK. He done a lot of business with the UK side of music.
Yeah.
So in terms of that,
We
when
don't
I-
know what he's
when,
here to
when,
do.
when I look at what he's doing and he's opening a lot of different doors for our culture, whether we like it or not,
He's
but
making the moves.
them are open some door for our
Yeah.
culture, whether we like it or not, because here we know we realize in terms of the link between people realize that this come from Ayaso. People are more connected to Jamaica now.
Listen, we're not
So my
talking about
time
what
we
he's
might
doing.
not get nothing out of now, but down in the future things might happen.
Like-
But the whole aspect is he was right to put out that statement because if you're being harassed at the airport, nothing is wrong by making a statement or
getting the
plea
assistance
for
you
help.
need, yeah.
Nothing done wrong for that.
Listen.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to leave it there. It's 7 minutes past the hour of 11 o'clock. Tonight's show and the conversations were very, very interesting. Thank you for joining us. If you're joining us for the first time, I mean, big up yourself, and I hope you enjoyed the show. We hope you enjoyed the show. Please do remember we're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by Styler London, Self-Paid, and The Granaries. Please ensure that you go over to our YouTube channel, like, share, subscribe, comment, do the one I need for do, because all our previous videos and the videos from tonight's show will be there. So make sure that you go over, you have a look at them, and you share it out with your family and your friends. We do this every Tuesday, so next week it's going to be like no other. The team will be here. We'll have a special guest for you, so make sure you follow us on our Instagram page. Yeah. Dragon House
People, you know what I think, love your brother, love your sister, let love rule in everything you do. Once I read a book, you know them say brain poison, being power. Until next week, take that one here.
Park and Lime, August 6th. Make sure you follow the page there. Yeah?
course.
Big up on yourself.
Out.
See it. Out.